Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovery Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about the Earth's structure. It may seem like the Earth is made up of one big solid rock, but it's really made up of a number of parts. Some of them constantly move. Earth's layers get more and more dense the closer to the center of the Earth you get. The Earth's four main layers are the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. There is a lot of metal in the Earth, along with silicon-based rock. But how do we know this for sure? Because of earthquakes. Like any other waves, earthquake waves bend when they travel through different materials. By studying the way earthquakes vibrate through the interior of the Earth, scientists have been able to get a pretty good idea of Earth's internal structure. The crust is the thin outer layer of the Earth where we live. We can only see the very top layer of the crust. Unlike a pizza crust, Earth's crust is not soft or flexible. In fact, it's extremely hard because it's made up of different rocks and minerals. The oceanic crust is mostly made of basalt rock. The continental crust, which is covered by land and is mostly made of granite. The crust varies from 3 to 5 miles thick in the ocean floor to around 25 miles thick on land. The Earth's crust makes up only 1% of Earth's volume. The lithosphere is a solid and rigid outer layer of our planet. It includes the crust and part of the upper mantle that contains rigid rocks. Beneath this layer is the asthenosphere, where the rocks in this part of the upper mantle are not rigid. The rocks can flow like a liquid or break apart similar to silly putty. The next layer of the Earth is called the mantle. The mantle is much thicker than the crust, and it's about 1,802 miles deep, and it makes up about 85% of the Earth's weight. It's made up of slightly different silicatic rocks with more magnesium and iron. Parts of the upper mantle are soft and plastic. This is what allows Earth's tectonic plates that make up the Earth's surface to move around. The outer core of the Earth is liquid metal, also mostly nickel and iron. The outer core is Earth's only totally liquid layer, and it is very hot. 8,132 to 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. The outer core is 1,429 miles thick. The outer core is very important to Earth as it creates something called a magnetic field. The magnetic field the outer core creates goes way out into space and makes a protective barrier around Earth that shields us from the sun's damaging solar wind. The Earth's inner core is made up of iron and nickel, just like the outer core. However, the inner core is different. The inner core is so deep within the Earth that it's under immense pressure. So much pressure that even though it is so hot, it is solid. The inner core is the hottest part of Earth, and it is about 9,392 degrees Fahrenheit. The inner core is 746 miles thick. The inner core floats in the outer core. It spins at a different rates than the rest of the Earth. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!